went to the gym. I worked out for 2 hours to get a bit of a pump, and I guess I prepared well enough because I didn't need to go shopping to buy anything. So actually, yesterday I went shopping and got this tanning bronzer here because I paid a lot of money for the other ones that I got, and because I didn't get the physical transformation that I wanted, I'm thinking that I'm gonna save them for another time and bought this one that was a little bit less expensive. So I'm about to do my tan. I'm a little ashy, like actually very ashy. I need to like hide my hands and my legs and everything, but I am going to do my tan, then do my hair. I need to do my makeup also, and I'll do pictures. Time to start with the tanning process. I had to put a plastic on the floor because I am prone to having accidents and I don't want to make a mess on the floor. I'm gonna start with my legs first. All right. I'm not seeing much of a color difference at this point. So I'm thinking I'm gonna have to tap into my other one a little bit to give it a second coat. I don't know how that's gonna work since they're two completely different products, but I will try it anyway. Oh, whoops. I look like after tanning with the Jergens tanner. I am not as dark as I want, so I'm gonna try and add the Gen Tanner on. And actually I picked up the wrong item because this is the exfoliator and that's the color. I need the color and the glaze, so I have to find where I put the glaze at. Anyway, I love the smell of the Jergens. It smells really good. I smell like a Mercedes-Benz or something, but I'm not sure whether I look like a Mercedes-Benz or not. It's funny. Oh, it smells so good. I could totally see myself using that as a perfume. I smell really good. Anyway, time to apply this Gen Tanner. If I can figure out haha, I figured it out. This is a safety thing so it doesn't spray. Alright. Ooh, look at that. This one is dark. This is gonna be perfect. I'll start with my feet again. Oh my goodness. Perfect. Ooh. this is it. I'm gonna have to do the rest off camera because I need to make sure that I touched up everything. So while I do my hair and makeup, I'll let it dry. That was probably a bad idea, but I wanted to show you what the final result of my tan looks like. So I put my brow on. It's probably gonna soak up the tanning, but the color. But this is what it looks like. Not bad. Next time I would definitely do it day before so that it'll be darker. This is it. But this is not it. Actually, it's looking much better. I feel like my tone is even. So if I want to, I can keep it like this and just do the picture, or do, depending on how much time I have, because I did sign up to go somewhere. So I may have to just accept what I have and do the pictures like that.